Hey guys, James Reid with TTR Sotheby's International Realty here. Today we are touring a federal style row home in Northwest DC. I wanted to show you this property because it represents some of the classic architecture you find throughout the city. This property has been updated from top to bottom. It has all the modern amenities and finishes that you would want. It is also really cool in the respect that it has 65 feet from the front to the rear of the property. You have 10-foot ceilings, and what's unique about this one is you have 2 deeded parking spaces as well, because parking is a premium in this neighborhood. Now, I did mention that we are Northwest DC. Where specifically are we at? If you look on the map, we are about 2 blocks south of the U Street corridor, which is famous for its nightlife and entertainment. You've got 14th Street a block away from us, which that stretch of 14th Street has gone through a renaissance in the past 15 years with a lot of high-end restaurant shops, bars. You've got Diplomat within walking distance, which is an extremely popular restaurant for locals and tourists alike. You are equidistant from both Dupont Circle and Logan Circle, which have their own nightlife entertainment, their own restaurant shops, bars. We are walkable to 2 different metro stations from here. You've got the green line at U Street and you've got the red line at Dupont Circle. Now, if you commute to downtown from here, you can stretch your legs and walk. You can easily hop on a bus. Everything is super accessible in this neighborhood, which makes it very desirable. And at the end of this tour, we're going to be covering the rooftop of this property, which has views of the city, which is just incredible. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that tour of this federal style row home in Northwest DC. Now, if you have questions about your specific needs, if you're looking to move to the DC area, feel free to reach out to me directly. I'd love to help you. You can call, text, or email me. My contact information is in the description box below. If there's other neighborhoods you want to see or types of properties, feel free to put that in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. That helps the YouTube algorithm a ton in helping us reach more people just like you. And until next time, I hope to see you around town.